Are you spending too much time figuring out marketing? That precious time could be better spent honing your expertise, building your business, or even simply enjoying life. Every minute you invest in trying to understand the intricate web of marketing is a minute stolen from your area of specialization. Worse still, the do-it-yourself method of marketing often comes with a hefty price tag. The costs can pile up, while the return on investment dwindles. You might be asking yourself, why? The answer is simple: inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Imagine trying to navigate a maze without a map. That's what DIY marketing can feel like. You're bound to hit dead ends, waste time and resources, and miss out on the quickest routes to success. So what's the solution? Enter Creative Edge Consultants. We are a team of seasoned marketing experts who can provide you with the map to navigate the marketing labyrinth. Our goal is straightforward: to increase your return on investment while decreasing your marketing costs. We do this by leveraging our knowledge, experience, and innovative approaches to pinpoint the most effective strategies for your business. With Creative Edge Consultants, you gain access to a team that lives and breathes marketing. We stay ahead of the curve, keeping our fingers on the pulse of the latest trends and technologies in the marketing world. We use this insight to craft tailored strategies that align with your business goals and resonate with your target audience. We believe in the power of creativity and innovation, and we leverage these qualities to give you the edge in a competitive marketplace. Our mantra is simple: get your edge. We don't just provide services, we build partnerships. We work closely with you to understand your unique needs, aspirations, and challenges. In a world where time is money, Creative Edge Consultants offers a solution to the cost inefficiency of DIY marketing. We help you reclaim your time, reduce your marketing costs, and maximize your return on investment. So stop wandering in the marketing maze without a map. Give yourself the gift of efficiency, effectiveness, and peace of mind. With Creative Edge Consultants, get the edge you need to succeed.